What's going on, YouTube? We back in this thing with another video, man. We back in this thing with another video. What we about to do? We about to do an unboxing. Then about to add a little quick, I won't say upgrade, I won't say mod, but man, we just about to get into it and add this little antenna to the Tahoe. You see her sitting right there. And this one right here, so far I call her my gold digger. We gonna call her gold digger right now, because she taking all the money. This one just chilling, waiting its time. But I got an unboxing I'm gonna do in this video for this one as well. So both of them taking my money. Both of them some gold diggers, man. Both of them some gold diggers. Man, these some gold diggers, man. But they some gold diggers, but they gonna eventually bring in that bread. So that's why we work. That's why we post these videos. That's why we appreciate every one of y'all for subscribing to the channel and hitting that like button. Like I say, support is free, man. Support is free. That's free. I ain't asking for none but your support. Keep boosting me up. Keep leaving comments, and we're gonna keep doing what we're doing. We're gonna keep growing. But for this one right here, I got tired of looking at this big ugly antenna, so we just gonna go ahead and replace it. I'm gonna do that one next. That'll probably be on a later video, but I just got tired of looking at it. I was washing the car the other day, and I was like, man, we finna get rid of this crap. So immediately, I went and ordered one. And we replacing it. I know, and my wrench too big. I know. This was the closest thing I can get to, so that's what I used. That thing on that tight, boy. That thing on that super tight. All right. Trying to be all sensitive with the dang on antenna. No, I don't like that, boy. Oh, big old ugly antenna. All right. This is the one we replacing it with. Could have got a shorter one, but I really didn't want a shorter one. If I do get a shorter one, I'll move this one to the Yukon. But this is a 7-inch, just rubber antenna. And then I think I'm gonna have to put an adapter on here. It should tell me on the back if I need one. Let's go ahead and check it out. Adapters, it don't tell me if I need one. So we'll see in a minute. It don't tell me which one I need. Ah, dang. This thing doing too much. Crap won't even come off. So, bro. Don't take that much to unscrew it. There we go. Dang. So, you can't see, it ain't focused. All right, got the antenna off. So I might need an adapter, I might not. We about to see. That's going in the trash for sure. That's definitely going in the trash. So, hold on. They said this boy good. All right. So Look, I'm dropping stuff. So these are the adapters. These are the adapters right here. And then this just screw on top of it, all of the same. I just gotta find out which one fit my antenna. So probably the bigger one. Maybe this one right here. This one right here might be the one that I need. I don't know. I know it ain't that one. So I should have took this thing off. I should have definitely took this off because it's a tight fit. All right, give me one moment. Let me put this in here and then I'll be right back with you. Okay, so I'm back. Come to find out, I did not need an adapter. I had to pop this off, and as you can see, it's 2 clips that holds it on. Might have been 3. That one might have broke. Yeah, this one might have broke at one point. It looked like it did. Yep. That one broke at one point, so I'll go to the junkyard and get that one. But it's pop out 1 hole, 2, 3. I just used a flathead and popped it out. And then you just push it back in there. But come to find out, hold on. Come to find out I don't need I don't need an adapter. It just screws on. So you just screw it on. God dang, I should have. Now I gotta take the boy back off. I should have just left that boy back off. Golly. All right. So you just twist it on. It didn't need an adapter. Then I got it on that hand tight. And then what we do, slide the antenna over. And then all right. And then there we go. Got rid of that big ugly one for this small one. So we in the game. The next time I order one, I'm gonna order one off Amazon. I got this from Advanced Auto Part. It's bulky at the bottom. So next time I'm gonna order one off Amazon. So now we're about to get into this unboxing. As you can tell, I already opened it, but I didn't go in deep in it. But we can get into it because I got to get back to work, guys. But before we get into it, man, to everybody that's new to the channel, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave your boy a comment. Hit the like button too on the video, man. Like I said, it was I guess you would call it an upgrade, a quick, simple install is what I'm gonna say. Quick, simple install. That small antenna look 10 times better than this large antenna that's on the Yukon. So I'm definitely gonna do this to the Yukon as well. So we good on that note. I like that look a lot better. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this unboxing, man. Got this package in. Amazon on the 1-day shipping. Amazon on the 1-day shipping. So I always need a razor blade, bro, and I never got one on hand. Like, I be mixing my stuff up every which way. I don't never keep my stuff together, guys. What a little flathead that I just had. Dang. What I did with it? I don't know what I did with my stuff. Oh, here we go. Be more prepared than me. Be more prepared than me. All right, so. What'd that say? What'd that say? Viper, yes sir. So we went and got that Viper alarm, 5706V. Got all the products to it. So that's everything right there. You got the horn. We got all that. I got to read up on it, but I don't know what it's for. We got this. And then you got your remotes. So, I'm about to call them about that remote, but let me tell you about this alarm real quick. And then I'm gonna put this on the hood in case somebody try to pop the hood. But that's everything right there. So I'm gonna tell you about this system right here. It's a refurbished system. I got it $50 cheaper than buying it brand new. Got a 1-year warranty on it. So that's why I went with it. I'm already seeing an issue though. That spot on the inside of the remote right there. I'm gonna definitely have to call about that. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to call about that. I might be able to see if I can get it off myself. So, the only reason why I ordered it because it was like $55 cheaper than a brand new one. It was refurbished and it has a 1-year warranty on it. So we definitely gonna try to get this installed and go from there. On the Tahoe, I got a compu start. One trying to go back that route. So I just went with Viper for the Yukon. So that's the unboxing. That's the quick update, man. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Drop your boy a comment. We're gonna keep moving and growing. We're gonna keep moving and grooving. We're gonna keep growing. And make sure y'all go tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to hit that subscribe button. We out. Peace.